The Sun is the biggest star in our solar system. It is the sole energy source for our Mother Earth. It brings hope. It gives energy to life. With this hope from our greatest star, Leadsun was established to harness its energy, and through innovation and technology, it wishes to energize everyone's lives. Driving with the mission of bright ideas for an even brighter future, Leadsun pursues innovation and research across all phases in delivering smart and intelligent off-grid applications, starting from design, development, manufacturing, and distribution. Leadsun follows this principle to deliver the world-class off-grid solutions. With continuous development and sheer hard work, Leadsun has been evolved from just a dozen staffed workshop to large multi-scale automatic production plant. Regardless of the complexity of the problems we encounter, Leadsun delivers technical excellence and solutions on all off-grid projects, ranging from a single all-in-one solar streetlight to multi-scale solar power generation plants. The economy is growing rapidly due to consumption, technology, and automation. Because of this, our fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas are getting quickly diminished. This is sending an alarming signal for environmental consideration. With the abundant, clean, and renewable energy from the sun readily available, Leadsun is adopting innovative methods and approach to implement the off-grid technology wherever possible, paving the way for the cleaner and greener future. The global energy requirement facilitates the infinite market potential for the off-grid solar industry. The technological advancements in the photovoltaic power generation and its diverse applications have further expanded the market space. As the demand for clean energy gets higher and higher, Leadsun focuses more on research and development in distributed power generation, energy storage, and outdoor IoT integrated intelligence systems, and drives to build a balance between the humans, society, and the environment. In 2008, Leadsun developed the first-generation all-in-one solar streetlight, the Angel Eyes, which paved the way for the green and eco-friendly solar lighting era. With no complicated digging or setup, the Angel Eyes AE series make the street lighting process very simple, bringing superior efficiency with minimum installation and maintenance cost. Leadsun develops every product, considering the practicability of the applications and the future user demands by meticulously planning and designing each and every single aspect and the functions. It has the high steady-state controller for smart working mode and intelligent power management. Powered by the ultra-long lifespan LiFePO4 lithium-ion battery, the cyclic charging and discharging improved over 4,000 times, making possible the product lifespan more than 10 years. It applies high luminous efficiency LED with aluminum lamp base, which delivers an excellent balance between dissipation and performance. The integration of the intelligent motion sensor regulates the illumination smarter and ensures long life. Over hundreds of research, testing, and analysis, Leadsun's battery management technology has been developed to make the whole system work perfectly, even when it is prone to extremely high or low temperature conditions. It is equipped with wireless controller system, which links the solar streetlight via the internet to remotely control and monitor the functions of the streetlight. With the global branches in Australia, USA, and Israel, Leadsun connects with the world seamlessly by listening to clients and gathering the inspiration and strength from all over the world, and delivers exceptional service to everyone. Being recognized and appreciated by both domestic and international clientele, Leadsun moves forward by laying the foundation for the smart cities, keeping in mind the people, environment, and the future.
It seems like only yesterday, but in fact it was nearly 10 years ago that I was lucky enough to discover Leadsun. I must say, it's been a very exciting, at times challenging, but extremely rewarding partnership where I feel thankful to be part of the Leadsun family. It's great to be part of a wonderful organisation that makes a real difference to the world, certainly in areas where there is no electricity, and at the same time, using the power of the sun to help the environment.
We believe there are more important things than just business. We believe the cleaner energy is more important for our sustainable growth. We believe the value is more important than money. We are Leadsun.